묘슬랭 가이드.
비둘기 하우스들이
랜드 videosuna çeksene biraz.
여기 조그만 구멍들이 비둘기 하우스라고 그러잖아요.
4km나 되는데 피전밸리가 이 비둘기들이 굉장히 중요한 역할을 했네, 이 사람들 삶에서.
How? Let me show you. This is the door. You see? Just like these. Only one small door, which is made by the hands. And also, entrances are very small because when they go inside, they were just closing from outside, and from the inside, they were hiding themselves. When the danger is gone, when they feel comfortable, what they were doing, they were coming outside. But the maximum, they were staying inside 3-4 weeks. They were not leaving all life. This room is the room of the leader of the underground. Come closer, please. Come on. This is a stone bed over here, as you see. You see a stone bed. And there's a big storage over here. That all the heritage or precious things they were keeping here. You see, for the drinks, clay pot room. And this room. This is the room of the leader of the underground city was staying here. It's a very strategic room. There is a one hole here. You see, this hole goes 8 kilometers that way. This hole. The beginning of this tunnel is at the next side. This is connections of the other underground city, which is the Derinkuyu, 8 kilometers around. If they have a risk in here, what they were doing, they were just escaping from here to another underground city. That's why this is very important. Let me show you beginning of this tunnel, okay? At the front of us, what they were doing, they were pushing to the other side. They were closing to the entrance of the underground city. And there is a hole in the center. What they were using that hole for? Killing the enemies from this hole. You see, from the hole, this was staying over here, and they were just pushing to these sides. This is the important room, and the food storage and the drinking rooms over here. Is there any idea about this room? What they were using this room for? Can you guess? What they used this room for? Can you guess? Kitchen, water pool, wine pool, what this room? And grave of underground city. If someone gets died inside, they were just buried to this room just for a while with the wooden boxes. After they were taking them to the outside after the peacetime. This is the baptist room, water pool, wine pool, altar stone, holy cross of the Christianity over here, as you see. This is the holy cross of the Christianity. This is the church of the underground city, and that is the room of the monks at the second floor. Room of the monks, the rice, whatever they need, they were preparing in this room. Those are the storage, many storage, because they were using this place also as a storage. What they have inside, what they produce it at the outside, they were keeping freshly in this place. And also, seeds bank. Winery. The grape juice, they were pressing by the foods in this pool. They were getting grape juice to here to make it molasses. Do you know molasses? Molasses?
What is molasses?
Grapes molasses. Molasses is the grape juice. When you boil it 6 hours, they become like a honey, like a black honey. It's very sweet, made from the grape juice. Molasses, vinegar, wine. They were making in this pool. And the winery next room. There's oxygen over there, ventilation shut, that's why they were making the wine in that room. Entrance like these, hiding ones, 6 of them. This is the third one. You remember? First, second, third, 4, 5, 6. We will see 3 more. This is a very important door of underground. You can discover inside, please. Yes, please.
총 2만 명이나 살았대.
You see another room over here, and then another room at the down there, and there is connections between the other floors. That's right. Third floor, this one. There's a tunnel at the left side. There is one small window. Please, when we go there, while we're going, look at one down and the up of the ventilation shaft, like air conditions. oxygen hole or ventilation shaft we call. And just to imagine how big this place. That ventilation shaft goes to the all floors from the center of the underground city. Now we will see, okay? Just follow me.
그 산소 나온다는 거.
But there is 4 more floors. We are not going there.
Are they closed?
They are not opened yet, not lighted yet, because not perfect like these. Finally, the clay pot they were keeping in here to keep their drinks, and then 4 more floor toilets, and the wheels, water wheels. The water they were just getting from inside, not from outside. The wheels, the 100 to 200 meters wheels, like ventilation shaft, they were getting water from underground. And the toilets and the other systems are over there. Now, this is the first floor. We will go to see other part of the underground city, kitchens. And the storage again we will see, okay? I will wait you in the kitchen at the last big room. Till big room, we can discover right at the left side, okay? Go ahead. Take a break with that.
여기
Kitchen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main kitchen of underground city. Darkness, smoke stays inside, not outside. Big oven here, putting lots of wooden inside. They just fire it. They put their foods with a clay pot to do inside of the fire. Oven over here, but they were making their food once a week. Instead of that, what they were eating? Dry fruits, dried vegetables, dried meat, dried fish, and also molasses and the pickles to make it for winter. They were using that kind of food. They were making food once a week. They don't eat too much. They eat but dry things, which is giving too much energies to you, but no need, not much restaurant, not much toilet, and not much, the energies. That's why they were staying inside to survive, not for enjoy. That's why there is no private life inside. There is no how can I say in English? There is no enjoying time. Just protecting themselves. For example, no doors, no windows. That's why the wife and husband, they don't be together for 3-4 weeks because they wait to be in safe. That's why they were staying inside to survive. This is the how they were living inside. Okay, guys? Shall we go next room? And it was staying over here, another door. They were checking from here. You see, if someone is coming, they were closing door. They were escaping from here or escaping from the other side. Another door. This is the 5th door. There is one more door in this underground. It's 6 entrance and the 6 gate of the underground. So we have, as you see, guys.
가이드.
저 밑에까지 쳐 내려가면 다시 올라올 수가 없어서 지금 걸어서 오늘 하이킹을 하기로 결정이 됐습니다.
완전히 눈속을 걷고 있네.
그게 말이야. 또 덕분에 또 색다른 경험을 하잖아. 차 안에만 타고 다니는 거가 좋지 뭐. 좋은 공기 들으면서 20년 만에 폭설이 내려가지고
만에 처음으로.
눈 덮인 카파도키아를 제대로 담고 가네 이번에.
여기 완전히 눈 세상이야. 하얀 세상.
그린투어가 아니라 화이트 투어야.
사진 찍어줄게.
아, 여기도 멋있는데? 여기도 멋있어.
관광지야. 여기 호텔 있고 레스토랑
호텔도 있고 레스토랑도 있고 펜션도 있네. 와, 이런 데가 다 있네.
비수기라 거의 다 문 닫았어요.
비수기인데다가 눈까지 와가지고. 구독. 낙타가 짐을 싣고 통로라고 합니다.
20 years ago, it played like this. Sound like this. Okay, this building, guys, this complex is the biggest complex of Cappadocia. This point is end of the canyon.
Давайте я вам расскажу, что есть что.
This floor, guys,
Потом будем
the
подниматься.
biggest kitchen.
Смотрите, вот это была кухня. То есть сначала это была
Over here.
часовня. Потом ее
Monastery.
назвали кухней. Почему? Потому что есть огромные
Church.
тандыры внутри.
Cathedral.
Вот. И
Chapel.
дымоход
And the
наверх
monk
провели.
Okay, this way. Yeah, I understand. Strong. You will see daylight over here. This way, please. Hold the hand, please. Okay, hold the hand and follow me. This is the church of the monastery, this building. But it was, there was a painting on the wall, but unfortunately, by the time it's gone. It was free zone for a long time, in that time it's gone. But next room is the cathedral, there are some frescoes of the Orthodox we will see after this room, just follow me please.
А так в основном уже
Bedrooms, wrestling rooms, watching tower, and the storage, all in this big building.
여기 구멍이 뭐라고?
되게 여기 흙길 같은 게 있다.
특이한 지붕이네.
굉장히 과학적으로.
아까 이 구멍이 뭐라고?
그게 다 이제 그 나무 떼는데 음식 하는데.
화로 같은 거.
구멍이 봐봐요. 구멍이
엄마 저
여기서 보는 것보다 구멍 아래 가서 보면은
오, 이게 환기가 되겠구나, 이 구멍에서. 어? 아, 굉장히 과학적이네. 1200년 전에 참.
카이셀이 바르셀로나 가는 거야?
그 수속을 지금 하고 있어.